Welcome to the final day of our course. Today we will be reviewing all the key concepts we have covered and discussing the next steps in your learning journey. Let's dive in. As we wrap up the course, let's take a moment to recap the essential concepts we have covered or explored. We begin with the basics, progressing to more advanced topics and practical applications. Along the way, we worked on hands-on projects that reinforce these concepts. Today's review will help us understand the key takeaways and how they fit together. Here's a visual summary of the topics we have covered. From the foundational skills to the advanced techniques, everything is interconnected. By looking at this map, you can easily recall the key concepts and how each one builds upon the next. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask during our interactive review. Now that you have completed the course, it's time to continue learning. I highly recommend checking out these resources to dive deeper into the topics we have covered. For books, consider Clean Code by Robert C. Martin and Design Patterns by Erich Gamma. You can also explore advanced courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Don't forget to refer to official documentation for further reading and join online communities like Stack Overflow and GitHub for continued support. One of the best ways to solidify what you have learned is by building your own projects. Not only will this help reinforce the concepts, but it will also give you real world experiences. Start with projects that interest you, like creating a personal website or a simple app. Remember, building a portfolio and using GitHub to track your progress will help you out of stand out to future employers or clients. I want to leave you with a few words of motivation. Embrace a growth mindset, keep learning, keep challenging yourself, and always practice what you have learned. Networking is equally important, so be sure to attend meetups, participate in hackathons, and stay active in the developer community. Finally, celebrate your achievements. You have done great so far, and there's so much more ahead of you. As we come to the end of this course, I would like to thank each of you for your dedication and hard work. Remember, learning does not stop here. Keep pushing forward and applying the skills you have acquired. If you have any feedback or need additional support, I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to stay connected. Now it's time to take the next step in your journey. Join our community forum for ongoing discussions and support. Keep building, experimenting, and growing. I wish you the best of luck on your path, on your learning path, and I am excited to see what you create next. Thank you and good luck. Welcome to the conclusion of the final Python Mastery course. Congratulations on completing this journey from beginner to advanced Python developer. In this video, we will recap everything we have learned and explore the next steps in your Python journey. Over the past 2 months, we have built a solid foundation in Python programming, from understanding the basic syntax and data structures like lists and dictionaries, to mastering object-oriented programming and advanced topics like machine learning and deep learning. You have covered a lot. We have worked on real-world projects like a bank account system and a web scraper, giving you practical experience in Python that will serve you well in future endeavors. So what's next? Keep pushing your skills further by building personal projects. The more you practice, the more you will improve. Dive deeper into advanced topics such as machine learning or web development frameworks like Flask and Django. You can also contribute to open source projects, which is a great way to collaborate with other developers and enhance your skills. Finally, start applying for Python development roles or internships. It's the perfect time to take the next step in your career. Stay connected with the Python community, join Python meetups, engage with fellow developers online, and keep learning by following Python blogs and influencers. The tech world is constantly evolving, and staying informed will help you stay ahead. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and advanced Python topics. I will be covering new concepts, real world projects, and Python libraries that will keep you on the cutting edge of development. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments and ask any questions you may have. I am here to help. And finally, thank you. Thank you for being a part of this course, for your dedication, and for taking the time to master Python. I hope you have found this journey valuable and are ready to tackle even more challenging projects ahead. Happy coding, and I wish you all the best on your Python adventures.